Hello, I'm going to make a very quick video just to give a little bit more information on working the inquisitives and finding the textbook. Again, your textbook is included. You've already paid for it. So if you launch this tab and there's any information that says you need to pay something, do not pay anything. You should just need to register. So over here on the left side, you can see that's where your modules are. Again, that's where all the weekly assignments are. And if you hit the Inquisitives tab, um, this will pop up the first time you'll have to register. Um, and then you'll be good to go. So there is a video here on how to work Inquisitives, but I'm going to show you very quickly how to do that. This is the textbook here, the ebook. So all of your chapters are there for the reading. And again, if you have not taken the test, you can see here it says adaptive release, you won't be able to see the book. You need to take that beginning test for the college to see all of the information, the entry exam. So make sure you do that. Again, you'll be dropped if you don't do that within a week or whatever the deadline is. All right, so these are all the chapters here. Again, pay attention to the modules because we are not doing every chapter and we're not going in order. We're going to start down here with 3.1. So this is the art history parts. So just to begin, let me just show you the introduction quiz. You don't have to do the introduction quiz, but just to show you what it looks like. Mine launches as the instructor. Yours will just go right into this type of thing here. And you can see down here on the bottom, you can do a quick start video if you're not sure what to do, or start answering questions. So this is what it looks like. What you need to pay attention to, there's two things. Obviously, you need to pay attention to the questions. Over here on the right is the confidence slider. You can gain or lose points. I just went through and set up all the art history chapters to be a little less than the default questions. They are all set for minimum of 13 questions to exit. So that's what you want to do. You want to answer 13 right. So hopefully that it says about 30 minutes per chapter, which isn't that bad. So you want to read the chapter, and then you'll have all these different types of questions here. You can see these are drag and drop. They like to do that a lot, or lots of times there's matching images or whatnot, fill in the blanks. So if you know it, you can slide it all and get full credit, get more points. You can exit easier. Or if you don't know it, you might want to put this down more. Because again, you lose points. It's sort of like, I don't know, gambling, I guess. So over here on the left, though, say you're looking at it and you have no idea what this stuff is. If you hit that blue bar over there, it will take you to the part of the chapter that it's asking you about. So you can just go ahead and read that again, scan through it, find the answers, and be on your way. I understand lots of students just try to do guess, 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 but I can see on the inquisitive, sometimes students are, on there for 2 or 3 hours. It shouldn't take that long, and that's all just to avoid reading the chapter for 20 minutes. So I would say read the chapter because you do need the information. There are tests that are not inquisitives that you will have to know the information. All right, so again, the slider you want to pay attention to, and if you don't know the answer or you get it wrong, it will move on. You won't come back to this question until you've answered many questions. So it's not like Mind Tap, if you know what that is, where you can just keep guessing on the same question. It will move on and then circle back to this one too. All right, I hope that's helpful. Again, you're going to start with the entry exam, and then you will start right in with chapter 3.1. And just to reiterate, your attendance is part of your assignments are linked to your attendance. So I just want to stress this because Tuesday and Thursday, those are your attendance there, chapter 3.1 and 3.2. So again, I am going to drop the 2 lowest grades, but don't not do them. So say if you're into chapter 3.1 don't give up on the first one, first of all. But you're in there for like 2 hours or something. Maybe that's the one you want to just leave a 60 or something, but I will still mark you present because you'll have a grade for that. If you have no grade for it, you'll be absent. If you have no grade for this one, 3-2, you'll be absent and then you'll be withdrawn. So that's just the nature of online courses. The assignments are tied to your attendance. So the weeks that we only have inquisitives, and you'll see a lot of other times there's projects or questions or whatever. So it's not based on the inquisitives, but for this week it is. So you have to do them or you'll be marked absent. At least some of them, get some grade for them. All right. Please email if you have any questions about this. Thank you.